Okay, let's first just randomly select. Okay, I will select probably the cable. Okay, not randomly. Fix it. I think we got this for a present at my previous company. It's basically a box for fixing phones and stuff that have small screws. Oh yeah, let's check this out. Here's our pal. Not sure how should I name him. It squirts water. Like if you submerge it to water and fill with water, you can squirt. Squirty squirt. Squirty. That could be his name, but leave the comments to see, for me to see how would you name him. Sorry for my English, but yeah, I'm a little bit dirty probably. I just stuck the furnace, so we will be warm. But yeah, fix it. Click. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, let's put it like this. So what do we have? We have gap opener, or I'm not sure how you call it. How's correct called in English? Maybe no. IFIXIT. Let me check. This tool is designed to break before your device does. Okay. Because of that, yeah. I was fixing my laptop or changing the battery, and I cut myself with the laptop because, damn it, Dale, you make really sharp edges when you try to pull the back cover out. But yeah, okay. I helped myself with this and this stuff, but it's not sharp. It's just to put it in between. Like if you have two plates, you need to separate them, which they have latches. I think it's called like that. You try to twist or like this to break it apart. Not break it, but put it apart. Or with this one, you just put it inside and just go through the whole panel. Maybe I can show this in some other video, but we will see. So yeah, okay, what we have, this one, it's nice for putting the unscrewed screws there, like this. It's like organized, so it's quite a nice feature. I don't know if it's designed for that, but I use it like that. Like 1, 2, 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like in the order that you just disassemble something, like I did with my laptop. So yeah, you have some adapters. It's quite a few of them. So all the small things. Here's the let me, I need to buy something to hold my phone. So yeah, it's like that, and you can screw stuff. So yeah, that's it. Suction cup, I didn't use that, but you use that to unmount the screen. Like, okay, let me disconnect this phone. Okay, or not. Let me. Is it? Ah, okay. Need to push really hard. Because, yeah, that's it. It holds the phone. So we just put it back. I think it is for that. I would say it is. Oh, we have some. Now we have some guitar picks. Probably this is the same as this one, just to put it in between when you unlatch, just that the parts don't come together as fast as they do, or the two parts that you need to separate. So that's this. Not sure what this is for, but probably something similar, or maybe I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. It's like a pencil, but it's not. Okay, let me check. Repair is noble. Yeah. Made in China. Spudger. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I can Google it, and maybe in the future, I can explain exactly or demonstrate how this is used. Yeah, I think someday I will definitely demonstrate how this is used. Okay, where did I put my knife? Ah, here it is. It's not a knife, but still. Let's put it back. I fix it. It has okay, one hand. It has a nice magnets, so I like that. You just put it on. Oh, maybe like this too. It works. Is it squared? No, it's not a square, so you need to put it as intended. So yeah, this is IFIXIT. So let me know in the comments if something needs to be explained in more details. Or this is just an amateur video, so in the end, I need to get better at this, like post-processing of video, probably. Okay, this is vape. So yeah, that's it for now. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.